Bedtime.
Hey, I mean, pray it's for church. Come on.
I haven't seen you in church lately.
Well, not much sense in my going to church. Do you remember one time when we were small, we were out here? It was from right over there. I jumped out at you from behind the tree, and Grandpa got all excited. He shook his fist at me.
Who's gonna
and
be
said,
eating the
"Why, get
pancakes?
them to hell."
All of us.
I'm not. Well, I set it up for one
Right over
person.
there.
Oh,
Well, you need some really
I'm not
big
eating
hair.
it.
too bad.
Johnny,
Okay. It's,
Julian, we're quoting on that. You'll eat any pancake. Good.
No.
Hey guys, trying to make the most disgusting pancake ever.
Hey, who spilled the plant? Mommy, plant spilled.
What?
like, I think every time I come to your house, that plant has died. That was recorded forever.
I will eat pancakes.
I cook the pancakes how I raise my children.
Sit down, Julian. Sit down, Julian.
I'm gonna get donuts.
Sit down, Julian.
I have to eat to my favorite sounds. No one suggest a song while we eat.
Yeah, but it has to be fairly quiet so we can actually hear your commentary.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, dude.
Julian, play Nokia kick ringtone.
Alright.
Yeah. Sure. Okay. There you go. Nice.
Okay, that's all.
All right, here we go. It's time.
Okay, so.
Wait. I gotta change the filter up.
With pancake on it.
Okay.
There we go.
Yeah,
Rate
still.
it out of 10.
Yeah. Okay, one second. I got control.
I do have to like guess
Yeah, wait,
which one it is.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Try guessing at the same time. But also,
Easy.
so yeah, guess which one it is and give us a rating out of 10. It should not be hard to guess what it is, but the rating is going to be the important part.
Yeah. Where's the toothpick? I got the control. Go.
I got the toothpicks. Oh, you. Wait.
Oh, here, there.
No one, you better be happy. I can't read chat right now, but you better be screaming in chat. Let's go, Nokia ringtone kick.
He
Something.
he said yes in all caps.
Alright, let's go.
Oh, there he goes again.
Wait, close your eyes. Do not see. Yeah. Okay, ready?
Okay.
We have. Wait, don't turn off the filters so they can see the pancake.
Oh yeah, 1 second.
Yeah, no,
Ah, crap.
Cat. Okay.
Oh yeah,
Second.
the creamsicle.
Oh, it's spoon.
Spoon. Spoon. Spoon. Ah,
He's gone.
the spoon.
I'm gonna go.
Where is it?
The brown one.
Oh, the brown cat.
There she is. You can barely see her.
Okay.
Oh, there she goes.
Close your eyes. So you don't see the pancake
Hey, dude, close your eyes, man.
Did she go back down?
She's
Make sure
over
we
there
get this on video.
by the
So
bench.
We have,
We can talk.
That was no one's favorite song.
All right, we're gonna go.
No one called you me a fart in chat.
So we got the first mystery pancake. Okay, you have to guess which one this is. And, give us your rating. Throw away. Open your mouth wide.
Smells like a pancake.
Yeah, shit. Using all your senses, I can tell, except for sight.
Mm. That's very burnt. And then I guess it's the Old Bay pancake.
Okay, what would you give it out of 10?
Yeah, I rate it.
Oh no,
I
no,
got a 10.
5? Okay, put the toothpick just down somewhere in front of you.
no one's mad that you turned the song off.
It's
fine,
kind of
no.